In this segment of the Word tutorial, I will demonstrate how to perform a label mail merge using a data file from Microsoft Excel. I have the data file in Excel, and this can be exported from any of the databases. Basically, it is one sheet that contains the first name, the last name, telephone, street address, and so on for each customer. The key here is that the first row needs to contain those label names so that we can reuse those fields as part of the mail merge for the labels. To do the label mail merge, go under Mailings and then click on Mail Merge and then select Labels. We need to select the type of label that you're using. You'd know this from the labels that you buy from the store. In this case, I'm going to use Avery 5160, which is an address label, which I believe it is 3 across, and it's about 15 or 20 down. Then click OK. Next, click on Select Recipients, and instead of creating a new list, we're going to use an existing list of the Excel spreadsheet. So click on Use Existing List, and then Customer List for the mail merge. Click on Open, click on Yes, and we are going to use this particular worksheet with all the cell range in it. So all the fields in that worksheet. Click OK, and now we have this option to enter the actual fields for the mail merge, for the labels. We want to insert the first name, space, last name, and maybe their address, then the city, state, and then the zip. Next, click on Filter Recipients. You can filter by state or by city or by zip. In my case, I'm not going to do any filtering. Next, once we have inserted the fields, and this is really important, otherwise you'll be frustrated with labels. Again, I'm emphasizing, you need to remember this step. Once you insert the fields, these coded areas here, you need to click on Update Labels. This will apply these codes across the whole page of labels. Again, this is very important. You enter the fields in the first label, you click on Update Labels. Next, click on Preview Results, and this will give us a preview of what the merge will look like. If things look good, you could leave it like it is. If you want to make changes to something, highlight some area, make it bold or whatever. Again, you can go to the Home tab to change the formatting. But if you change something on the first label and you want that to be replicated to the other ones, you need to click on Update Labels. Once you are done with the preview, then you can either print them, or I suggest that you open in a document to preview everything to make sure that everything is right, and then you can print it from here. You don't need to save the results page unless you need it for documentation purposes. However, the form page, the one, if we turn off the preview, the one with the codes, you can save it, and then as you update your spreadsheet in Excel with new customer data, you can always open it up and it will pull the new names that were added later. In that way, you don't have to reconfigure the form all over again. So again, to do that, I'll close it. Here's my document for mail merge, for the labels merge. Yes to link to the worksheet, OK. And then if we go back to the mailings and choose to preview the results, it will update all of them automatically. Now, in my case, I didn't add a new record, but it would have been reflected in this. When you're ready, press Print Documents, and it will print those labels.